Hello, dear friends. Good morning, everyone. I'm Priyadarshini Jadhav, working in the AITRC Vita. Welcome you all in online practical series of programming with Python, which is subject code as 22616. Okay. Today we are going to see the practical number 2, which is namely as write a simple Python program to display message on screen. In this practical we are going to see how to display message on the screen with the help of Python IDE. These are the course outcome: display message on the screen using Python script on IDE, integrated development environment. And this is a practical outcome: write a simple Python program to display message on the screen. Okay, so we are having two modes of implementing Python program, as a interactive mode, and second one is a script mode. Interactive mode and script mode. What First of all, what is meant by interactive mode? The interactive mode means if we are passing any script or any parameters, then it will give results immediately. It's no need to save the program with proper location. Okay, it give immediate reaction or interactive, so it's called as interactive mode. Then see the practically how to open the interactive mode. If you installed your Python IDE, then open like this, search for the Python here 3.9 64-bit. Okay, this is a interactive mode of Python development. Okay, if I want to print hi Python, then it will give results immediately. Okay, it's called as a interactive mode. Then second mode is a script mode. Script mode means what? The execution of the script continues until the script is finished. Means you can write n number of code within a single file. That file we need to save with a Python file extension as a .py. Okay, our source code, our source file is we will be going to save with a .py file. Okay, with a appropriate location or path we need to save it. Okay, how to open the script mode of the Python IDE? Then search for the Python here, then here IDE Python 3.9 64-bit, then click on it. Okay, this is a IDE. You can see here IDE shell. How to open file? Click file, new file. Okay, here you can write n number of code. So I want to print hello Python. Okay, just save it, press Ctrl S. Otherwise you can go in the file. Suppose I want to save py underscore message dot py extension. My location or path in the desktop only. Save. Okay, to run this script you need to go run module. Otherwise you can press shortcut key as a F5. Okay, immediately it will give the result, and here it will be showing your program path where you are saved this py.message.py file. Okay, this is a interactive mode and this is a script mode. Okay, so the exercise questions will be: if you not installed your Python ideally, then just search for uh, my first practical number, which is on the installation of basic Python ideally. I'm also giving the link of the first practical in the description box also, so you can watch from there. Okay, these are the exercise questions. Write a Python program to display your name using interactive mode. Write a Python program to display MSBT using script mode. Okay, interactive mode, display your name using interactive mode. So I'm just writing here print. If I write in the single quote, it is also okay. Hello, Priyadarshini. Okay, if I print in the single quote, it's working. If I print hello Python, then it is also okay. Okay, if I print the string within a triple quotes, then see what will be happen. Hi, welcome. Okay, it is also working. Means what? If you are putting the string in the triple quotes without a print function, then it will be act as a comments, multi comments. Okay, and single comment will be we are writing using a single hash. Okay, so we can write a string within a single quote, within a double quote also, and we can use a triple quote for the printing the or displaying the message on the screen. Okay, then see the next question. Write a Python program to display MSBT on the script mode. I am writing here only print MSBT. Okay, similarly what I said, single quote, double quote, you can print any of this depending on your choice. Save it or and press F5. Okay, the result will be shown by you. Okay, this is a practical number second of the programming with Python. Okay, see the whole video of this practical. If any doubts you are having, then please comment me. Okay, my first question is, which are the modes of the programming with Python, and what is the extension of Python program? Okay, these are the two questions I need answer in the comment box. Please write everyone. Okay, if you are new on this channel, then please like, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.